In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Slides in PowerPoint. This walkthrough is designed for mobile, and by the end you'll have your Google Slides presentation open and running inside the PowerPoint app on your phone or tablet. Before we start, make sure you have both the Google Slides app and the Microsoft PowerPoint app installed and updated on your device. That way, everything opens smoothly once we convert the file. Begin by launching the Google Slides app on your mobile device. You'll land on your list of presentations. Open the presentation you want to use in PowerPoint. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if it has images, embedded charts, or lots of slides. Next, look for the three-dot menu, often shown as three vertical dots or an ellipsis icon near the top right corner of the screen. Tap that to expand more options. From this menu, choose Share and Export. This area is where Google Slides lets you send, share, or convert your presentation into different formats. Now tap Save As and then select PowerPoint, PTX. This tells Google Slides to create a PowerPoint-compatible copy of your presentation. Depending on file size and your connection, this may take a few seconds. Keep an eye on the file name so you can recognize it in your storage later. If your app shows Export instead of Save As, pick that and choose the PowerPoint PTX option. It does the same thing. Once the conversion is complete, open your device's file manager. On most phones, this is the Files app. Navigate to where downloads or exported documents are stored. Often the Downloads folder or a Google Drive folder synced to your device. Find the newly saved .pptx file. Tap and hold on the file to bring up the context menu, then tap More if you need to reveal additional actions. Choose Open With to select which app should open the file. When the list appears, select PowerPoint. If you're prompted about using it just once or always, choosing just once is fine if you prefer to decide each time. The file will automatically launch inside the PowerPoint app. Give it a moment to render the slides. Once it's open, scroll through and review the formatting. Most layouts carry over well, but fonts or animations can look slightly different across apps. If something seems off, try adjusting fonts or spacing within PowerPoint. From here, you can present, edit, or save the file as a PowerPoint document, just like any other deck on your device. And that's it! Your Google Slides presentation is now open in PowerPoint on mobile.